Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Eclairs pastry easy method. Begin by preheating the oven to 400 degrees F and lining a baking sheet while you make the choux dough. Bring water and butter to a boil, add flour, and stir until the dough pulls away from the pan. Cool briefly, then beat in eggs one at a time until smooth and pipeable. Pipe 3. 5-inch logs and bake until puffed and golden, then cool fully before filling. For the pastry cream, warm 2 cups of milk with vanilla while whisking egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch until smooth. Temper the yolks with a little hot milk, return to the pan, and cook until the mixture thickens like pudding. Remove from heat, stir in butter for richness, then chill until set. Use a small piping tip to gently fill cooled eclairs from the side or bottom to avoid burst shells. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. For reading while your eclairs cool, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp text, long battery, and waterproof convenience, perfect for cookbook browsing on the couch. It makes following recipes effortless and pairs well with pastry and tea. Check the description for the link and deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For assembly, split shells carefully and pipe pastry cream without overfilling. Make a smooth chocolate glaze by melting dark chocolate with cream and a bit of butter, then dip each eclair for a shiny finish. Chill just long enough for the glaze to firm, then serve at room temperature for the best texture. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 48 hours and briefly warm to re-crisp if desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.